Right now, I am in Badlapur, and behind me are the waste collection trucks that were meant to clean the city in Thane district's Badlapur. So, as you can see, these are the waste collection garbage trucks that were brought in 2018 by the Kulgaon Badlapur Municipal Corporation. They were brought under the Swachh Bharat mission in 2018 to clean up the city. But what is shocking is that these trucks are lying idle over here. The dust has been accumulated over these trucks, and citizens are saying that their public money has been wasted as these waste garbage trucks are lying idle over here. The main purpose of these trucks was for waste management and to clean up the city so that sanitation purpose could be fulfilled. But as you can see, these trucks are lying over here idle since last many years. Now, when Lokmat Times came to the spot, we found out that total 28 waste collection trucks are lying idle over here, and the cost of these trucks have been to 2.5 crores. So these trucks were brought by the municipal council for 2.5 crores, and the Badlapur residents are saying that their money, the municipal council tax has been wasted because the council is not paying proper attention to these waste collection trucks. Now, what is noteworthy is that, as you can see, the waste is still there, the garbage is still there. Because of this, the pollution can also rise in this particular area, and also you can see the tires of these trucks, they are not present at all. Also the engine, the big question is that whether these trucks have engines or not, whether the engines have been removed and for what purpose they have been removed. Various trucks over here, as you can see, there are no proper parts. The vehicle parts are not present over here. The tire is not in a good condition. Engines are absent from some of the trucks. So questions are also being raised on the transparency and the proper contracts that were given to those people who were paying attention to these trucks. Now the Badlapur residents are outraged over this particular incident, and they are saying ki why not utilize the public funds? Where are those 2.5 crores that were spent on these particular trucks? This is the valid questions that have been asked by the Badlapur residents.
कुलगांव बदलापुर नगर परिषद में सन 2018 में 2.5 करोड़ रुपया खर्चा करके 42 घंटा गाड़ी घन कचरा व्यवस्थापन के लिए उस टाइम के चीफ ऑफिसर प्रकाश बोरसे जी के नेतृत्व में लिया गया था। और उस टाइम पे ये गाड़ियाँ पूरे शहर में घन कचरा उठाने का काम कर रही थी, लेकिन बीच में कोविड आने की वजह से ये गाड़ियाँ सब ऐसी बंद स्थिति में पड़ी। एक जगह उनको डंप करके रखा गया और उसका यूज नहीं किया म्यूनसिपलिटी ने। 2.5 करोड़ रुपए का बदलापुर नगर परिषद ने जो खर्चा किया है इस घंटा गाड़ी पे, वो लोगों का पैसा है, पब्लिक का पैसा है, और वो पैसे का ये लोगों ने इस तरह से भ्रष्टाचार के माध्यम से, वो 2018 में भ्रष्टाचार किया हुआ था। उस टाइम पे भी बदलापुर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आवाज़ उठाई थी, और आज भी हमने जो नए चीफ ऑफिसर है मारुति गायकवाड़ साहब, इनको भी निवेदन दिया है और उनको बताया है हमने कि ये गाड़ियाँ बेचो मत। ये गाड़ियाँ जो भंगार में जा रही है, मतलब हमने ली है लाखों में और ये भंगार में जाने वाली है हजारों में, तो ये बेचो मत, इसकी दुरुस्ती देखभाल करो और ये गाड़ी वापस अपने को काम में आवे, अपन इनको वापर सकते हैं शहर में घन कचरा प्रकल्प के लिए, शहर में कचरा उठाने के लिए। तो इसके लिए आप यूज करो, लेकिन किसी भी हालत में ये गाड़ियाँ भंगार में बेचो मत। अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो हम धरना अनशन पे बैठेंगे, हम आंदोलन करेंगे कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से। ये हमने उनको बताया हुआ है। अभी इन्होंने ये प्रक्रिया यहाँ ही स्थगित करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये लिलाव प्रक्रिया में भी ये नगर पालिका और अधिकारी लोगों की ही टोली है। ये टोली ही ये गाड़ियाँ लेनी चाहती है, वापस इसको दुरुस्ती देखभाल करेंगे, थोड़ा सा उसको बना देंगे, उसको वापस रोड पे चलने लायक बनाएंगे और बाद में ये लोग बेचेंगे और करोड़ों रुपए का मुनाफा कमाएंगे। इसमें हमारा खुला आरोप है। कि अधिकारी और ठेकेदार लोगों ने ये मिले जुल के करने वाला ये कांड किया है, ये कांड रचा हुआ है, तो इसको हमारा कांग्रेस पार्टी का पूरा विरोध है।
We spoke to the officials of Kulgaon Badlapur Municipal Council. They have informed that the maintenance costs and the increasing population of the city, these are the reasons why they are letting the garbage collection trucks to be scrapped. Now what is noteworthy is that this is the report of the Kalyan RTO. This is the examination report of why the vehicles are being scrapped. This mentions the word Bevaras Vahananse Mulyankan, that is examination of abandoned vehicles. But these vehicles are not abandoned. These vehicles were purchased by the Kulgaon Badlapur Municipal Council, and the word abandoned is very wrong. So the citizens are raising a valid question over here. If they want to put in scrap, then why scrap all the vehicles? Because some of the vehicles are really in a good condition. They can be repaired. The social activists are also suggesting that some vehicles should be repaired instead of scrapping all the vehicles. And on what basis the scrap amount is decided to be rupees 50,000 per vehicle? Because the condition of each and every vehicle is different. Also, I have with me the tender process. The tendering process of this whole scrap has been started from 25th March. Citizens are telling that the taxpayers' money is being wasted. If the vehicles were purchased for 2.5 crores, now why they are being scrapped and why not repair or maintain these vehicles?